How to draw a sleeping bag. To begin making our sleeping bag, we're going to draw the left side. This is going to look somewhat like a big L, but we're going to add a little crinkle at the bottom in ours for a little bit of detail. Now we're going to draw the right side of our sleeping bag. This will look just like the left side we just drew, and we're going to connect them at the bottom. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we're going to move on to making the top part of our sleeping bag. We're going to start on the right side of the opening, and we're going to make small curved lines going around in a circle-like shape all the way until we get to the left side of the opening. Next, we're going to draw the flap of our sleeping bag. We're going to start in the middle near the bottom, and we're going to draw a diagonal line going upwards, but we're going to stop before we get to the top, and we're going to go towards the right with a crinkly line. We're going to go all the way up towards the opening, and then we're going to draw curved lines again like we drew before, going in a circle-like shape. Once we've gone all the way around to the left side of the opening, we're going to bring that squiggly line down. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Our sleeping bags are coming along great. We just have a few more details to add. We're going to start from the squiggly line we just drew and draw two sides of a triangle. This will add some detail. Next, we're going to add some striped lines going across our sleeping bag for details. You can add stripes as well, or you could add whatever design you'd like to add to your sleeping bag and make it unique. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! I love the details you're adding to your sleeping bag. Make sure to stick around until the end so that we can color in our sleeping bags together. This is how to draw a sleeping bag. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our sleeping bags together.
Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.